maximum of these elements. Max of T1 of 2. T1 of 2. I want to find the minimum of the semester marks. Min of T1 of minus 2. T1 of minus 2. Are you able to follow now? Yes, good. Now, so coming to the point of it, now I will go to, I am doing it on where this part only I'm going to do it. This part only going to be doing. So I'm doing the operation on where? List. When I'm doing the operation on list belongs to mutable or immutable? Mutable. Total element is called what? I am not doing the changes on where? Tuple. I am doing the inner part of it. Inner part is called what? On that you can do. Can I insert one element inside the tuple? No. Why? Outer part is tuple. I am doing the inner part. Harika. I think you are understand, ma. I think you are understanding. So you are supposed to do you are doing the operation on inner part, not on other part. Okay. Now I will go to one more thing. I want to remove 28 and 30. Be careful. I want to remove 28 and 30. How do you remove? Possible or not possible? How do you remove? Very good. Del operator. How to use it? Del T1 of 2. T1 of 2 of minus 2 colon 28 onwards I want to remove. First you locate it. How do you locate? T1 of 2. Locate it. 28 to 30 I am going to remove. So it is gone. So print of T1. So print of T1 you print. Print of T1. You see this. Is it gone or not? 28 and 30 gone. Are you able to follow? Now, last and final. I want to modify this 58 as 52. I want to modify this 58 as 52. Can I modify? Yes. How do you do? T1 of minus 2 of minus 2 is equal to what? 55. 55. Print of T1. Is it modified as 55 or not? Yes. So important. This kind of intelligence compulsory you need. This is known as which concept? List in tuple. Possible to write or not? Yes, possible to write it. So here I'm going to write it list in where? Tuple. This is a syntax. This is called outer one is called a tuple. These are called what? List. So here I will write it. This examples I'm writing. These examples I wrote it. This is your example. So this part I will take it off. This part I will take it off. I think students you got my point. Is it clear or not clear? Yes, clear. So I hope students, you got my point. So got it. So now I will go to one more is called what? Third combination. Already completed. List in list completed. Tuple in tuple completed. Next is what? List in tuple also completed. Next, tuple in list. Be careful. So I'm going to explain you. So next one is tuple in list. Because these combinations are super important. When you go to an interview, if your package is 14 LPS knots, they won't ask normal questions. They'll ask difficult questions. Always prepare for highest interviews subjective learn it. If you learn like college interviews, even startups also you cannot qualify. That is the present days is going on. So now I'll go to the same. Carry out this data, carry out our standard example. Here I'm going to write it. Come on, do it. LST is equal to. This is called what? Outer is called what? List. Inner things are tuples. Tuples. So I'm going to take it. This is also tuple. And very interesting questions will be coming here. Now done. Possible or not possible? Possible. So it is a possible. Print of one for loop you take it. For loop I am going to take it. So I want to print it here. This is called LST here, students. So come to this place now. Here I am writing LST. The very important concept is this one. These two are important. Tuples present in list. Now I am going to ask you, how do you get this tuple? I forget. LST of 2. LST of next what? 3. Okay. Now I want to extract 30, 27. I want to retrieve 30 and 27. How do you extract? LST of 2 of 1 colon 3. 1 colon 3. So you are getting what? 30 and 27. I want to extract 68 and 55. 68 and 55, I want to get it. How do I get it? LST of minus 2 of, come on, colon 3. Colon 3. So you are going to get it 68 and what? 55. That means on this, any component is concerned, you can perform indexing and slicing. Now, the very important question I'm asking, now I want to sort this data. Is it possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Huh? Not right, not possible. Please raise your hands. Good. Please raise your hands. Raise your hands. Possible or not possible? Possible. Possible. That is what I am asking to keep your brain. I am explaining this much subject. If you are not answering how it is, I want to sort this data. You have to apply immediately what? My sir is asking, want to sort the tuple data. The tuple data is only alone or it is a part of list? Part of list means list allows changes now. Right or not? List allows changes. If it is a tuple in tuple, you cannot do. But it is a part of the list. I can do the change. Come on, how do you do? Come on. LST of 2 dot sort of. It is called attribute error. No, listen first. Everybody committed a second mistake also. Again, please be perfect. LST of 2 is called what? Tuple. Tuple contains SORTA. It will give you what error? Attribute error. Already said now, students. Please read the notes. Tuple object has no attribute called sort. Who is this? Hanok. Hanok. Good. Good student. Keep it up. Hanok, good student. So I'll go to, so print of LST, I will take it. LST, I will take it. I want to sort this data. So sorted. Sorted already explained to you. LST of what? 2. LST of 2. It is sorted. Sorted data comes in the form of what? List. See, list it is coming. But I want to get it into what type? Tuple type. Tuple type it is coming. So it is coming sorted. But is it reflected to the original list? No, it is not reflected to original list. It is still available original data only. Now I want to change this entire data. How do you do? 0, 1, 2. LST of 2 is equal to this line. I will write it. This line I will write it. Very, very interesting this is. Online students, LST of 2. LST of sorted of LST of 2. Which type it is coming? List. Converted into what type? That I am updating in where? It is unsorted data. Now I am sorting. So print the LST, students. Is it sorted or not? Yes. Come on, quick. Understand or not? Now I want to sort the data in where? Descending order. Descending. Can you tell director now? Tell me. LST of minus 2 is equal to tuple of sorted of LST of minus 2. Minus 2. Are you able to follow now? Yes. So done. And see that. Is it coming in which order? Of course. I directly said what? Ascending only. Ascending only. If at all you want again to do it, comma, what should I do? Come on. Reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Okay. Now see, students, is it getting in descending or not? Yes. Clear or not clear? Yes. Can I add any element to this inner tuple? Come on. No. Inner tuple. Tuple. To the tuple I am saying. Can I add the data? No. Can I remove the data 68 and 65? No. Because it is which data? tuple data. Can I remove this complete tuple? Yes, because it is a part of what? List. Because list is what? Mutable. Can I remove this 27? No, because it is immutable. Because it is tuple kaadu. Because it is tuple. Because it is immutable. Can I remove the 68 and 75, 65? No, because it is immutable. Are you able to follow? So only one thing, student, on what I am performing the operation. On what I am performing the operation? In the inner tuple. Inner tuple, immutable. I cannot do any changes. Can I remove this entire tuple? Yes. How do you remove? Please tell me. I forget. LST dot remove of pass this entire tuple. You can use the pop also, right? Directly like that. It is removed. Removed or not? Yes, removed. Understand? So this is called which concept, students? Tuple in list. This is the another example. These kind of examples you must be perfect. So syntax is same. List object, list bracket here, and inside of it there are tuples are there. Now I'm giving my own examples here. So observe it, got it. This is sort is an error here. That's why we apply what? Sorted. So coming to conclusion now. Note point I'm giving. So what we learned up to here? Come on, note. One can define one list, another list. Next, one can define one tuple in another tuple. One can define one list in another list. That is a tuples of list. One can define one tuple in another thing. That is called list of tuples. So that examples already I gave students. So you need not to worry about that examples. I think you are clear. Clear? Yes. Students, this is the combinations I said. What are that now? Combinations. Which combinations you learned so far? List in list, tuple in tuple, list in tuple, tuple in list. This is a very, very important concept. Okay now? Right. So today I will post the tuple exam. Tomorrow I will post combination of tuple and list. All four combination test I will post it. Because every day if you do the test, you can get the target very easy. It is a good route for you to achieve your target. If you don't write the test, if you don't communicate with me, it is a becoming problem for you. Okay. So from my side, what best I can do, I'm doing with you. If you don't utilize that services, what can I do, students? I can't do anything else. So take care. Now this completes which data type? Tuple data type. All combinations completed or not? Very good. So in one word, you please define what is the tuple. Immutable ordered sequence of elements. What is the list? Mutable ordered sequence of elements. In one word answer that is. Do you know how to see the help of the list and tuple and int and float and everything? Yes, very good. Which function we use? Help of list and etc. Okay, good. So far, how many data types I completed? Tell me the data types I completed once you revise. Int, float, bool, complex, str, bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple. Now I am going to enter into which category? Set category I am entering. Are you ready to understand set category now? Yes. Now let us go to the set category. So I'm going to enter into the set category. So as a part of the data types also completed in the class iterable and non-iterable completed, also mutable and immutable completed, copy techniques completed, typecasting things also completed. Very good. Now I'm entering into which type? Set category. So I'm going to enter. Very good. Now I'm going to enter into the set category data types. So students, how many copy techniques are there in Python? Two types. One is shallow copy, deep copy. Did I posted that notes? Not posted. So yesterday one student said, Suraja, you only said, okay, students. Yesterday somebody remind me, but I forget that. So today I will post it. How many techniques? Two. Number one, shallow copy, deep copy. Very good. Do you remember the concept now? Yes, I will post it. So come to set category data types. So why we use this set category data types? Now I want to write the purpose. Students, you know, maths, right? You know maths, correct? Do you know maths? Do you know maths? Thinking is a very danger. What question you will ask, we don't know. So set theory, right or not? Set theory, sets in 10th, 8th class, 7th class, sets are there. You know? Very good. Who knows set theory? Please raise your hands. I just want to know. Intermediate student is the best example. You know set theory, correct? Don't know? Hmm? Don't know. Recently completed, no? Sets are there in first year, right? Forget remembering. First year. Forget? Right. Girls, remembered? Because everybody will think that girls are intelligent in the universe. Remembering? No. Forget. Okay. Boys, you remembered? No. Collection of elements. That is the wrong answer. Collection of elements is the wrong answer. Collection of similar type of elements. Wrong answer. Collection of similar type of elements. Wrong answer. Collection of elements. Wrong answer. Right. So, Singh Yadav. Unordered, unique, immutable sequence of data. So, right. Now I will go to the set theory. I'll explain. That's why I'm explaining from 6th class directly to Python. I will connect. I don't want this intermediate, BTech first year, second year, directly 6th class to BTech first. Python, I will connect. That's why I start from original data. This middle, 8th class to middle, something happens, some education that I'm not considering. Okay, leave everything and fresh mind. Consider the following. Consider the following. Now I'm going to take it. Students, now I'm going to write it. In this case, consider the following. A is equal to, please observe all of you. You know this, but just I'm writing. 10, 20, 30, 40. B is equal to, this is a braces indicates what? Sets. Now I'm writing 30, 40, 50, 60. Find A union B. Find what? A union B. So everybody happy. You will do. Okay. Now go to solution. Go to solution. Now I am writing A union B is equal to. Now I am going to take up this data. This data I am taking. There I will write it. Union of this one I will take it. B I will take it. That is equal to. You are getting the answer called what? Come on. 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 50 comma. Can I write 30 40 again? That indicates sets allows only unique values. So set is a collection of what? Unique values. Set is a collection of elements. Set is a collection of unique values. Come on. Set is a collection of. So what is the definition of set? Set is a collection of unique. So in mathematics terms, set is defined as a set is a collection of well-defined elements. Well-defined means what? No duplicates. So can you understand the definition of set? So what is the definition? I forget. Set is a collection of unique elements. Unique elements. Okay, very good. These unique elements. In this place, either numerics can be there or numbers. Numerics will be there, strings will be there, Boolean values will be there. Any kind of values can be there. Unique elements of what type? Same type or what? Different type. Different type. Different type. Same type will be there. Different type will be there. Or what? Both of them can also be there. Both of them can be there. This is the list of numbers. These are the list of vowels. What is the A union B? Numbers plus vowels will be coming. All we did in the school days. Correct or not? Very good. Now students, now I will write here 50, 60. Are you able to follow? So I cannot write 30, 42 times, only one time. On the basis of it, we are concluding that set is a collection of what elements? Unique elements of which type? Same type or what type? Different type or what here? Both the types also permitted. Both the types are permitted. Still, there is a definition is there, dear students. A union B is also called as what? One set called C, na? A union B is also called one set. Dear students, this answer, this is called a valid, this is called a correct. Some student is writing this answer like this, no problem. One student is writing the answer like this, no problem at all. He is writing 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. This is also correct answer only. Correct or wrong? Correct. I can write like this. Any of the order I can write it. Next, this way some student is writing like this also. 10, 20, 30, 40 and the 60 and then 50. Like this also can be written. This is also called the correct answer. One more way he can write it. What is this now? F is equal to, he is writing 30, 20, 40, 10 and then 60 and then 50. Like this also can be written. Are you following me? That means I can arrange my elements in any one of the order I can write it. That means a set maintains insertion order or not maintaining insertion order. That's why set is a collection of set is a collection of unordered unordered collection of set is a collection of unordered unique elements of which type? Same type or different type or both the types. Is it are ordered or unordered? I'll show practically. Are you able to follow? Right. My dear students, if I take it as set is equal to A comma B comma C, if I write it, what are the other possibilities? X is equal to, for example, what is the another possibility of the set you can write? Tell me, ma. A comma C comma B, right? One more, tell me. X is equal to B comma C comma A. Next, X is equal to B comma A comma C, right? Next, X is equal to C comma A comma B. One more, X is equal to C comma B comma A. These many ways you can write it. These many ways I can write it. Any one of the way you can write. That's why it is known as what elements? What elements? Ordered. What is the difference between list and then set category? List category maintains what? Order. Set never maintains order. That's why it is known as what? Unordered. Sir, where can I get this concept, sir? In my real time, where can I get this concept, sir? Very, very simple. You take an example of your best example, JEE mains. You take an example of JEE mains, ma. JEE mains, because most of the people might be written this examination. It is one of the prestigious examination in India. You know, JEE mains. Have you written it? So in one session, in one particular session, the 75 questions which you are getting on your console in your laptop, all the session people will get the same questions only, but order is different. Order is different. If you know that examination, all questions for one entire session is same, but the order is different. Your detail, your login, you will get some same questions. I'll also get same questions, but order is different. Even multiple choice also order is different. Are you getting that? So that concept contains what? Sets. Moreover, do you have any repeated question in my exam? No, that means unique questions are there. So it is correctly known as which implementation followed internally? Set. So what is the definition of set? Collection of unordered unique elements of what? Same type, different type, or both the types. In a single object, I will arrange that single object is known as what object? Set object. Is set maintains order? No. You take your academic examination, academic exams. Is it containing same order? No? That is called what? List. Are you able to follow now? So did you understand the implementation of this? Right. So now coming to the point of it, in tomorrow, when you go to a passport applying, there are different passport numbers are there. Do you know which passport number will come for you? No. Randomly one passport number will come or not? Epic number on your voter ID. Epic number on your voter ID. That is also called one random number for you. There is no such order is maintaining. It is a system generated number will be coming. Are you able to get it? Yes. Now coming to the point back. Now my conclusions are very, very simple. What is the purpose of set data type? I am going to write it. The purpose of, everybody, the purpose of which data type? Set category data types. The purpose of set category data types is that to store to store collection of collection of values, collection or to store multiple values. Like this I'll write, later I will add it. Multiple values of what type? Same type or what? Different type or both the types in which object? Single object with what values? Unique values. Unique values, unique values. That is called what? Set. This is a regularly asking question. What is the difference between list category and set category? Set category allows same with unique and duplicates. But with the sets, you are allowing only unique values. So you forget that. So you are all Madhu people. So you are going to this one, same thing. You see multiple values of same type, different type with unique and duplicate. Both of them are what? List and tuple. Today what I wrote it, multiple values of same type, different type with what values? Duplicates allowed or not allowed? Duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. Is it clear? Very good. So now I'm going to enter. Online students, we have we have two two types of we have two data types in we have two data types in which category? Set category. We have two data types in set category. What they are? They are what is the number one? Set. Number two, Trojan set. Trojan set. Set belongs to both mutable and immutable. It is the both mutable and immutable. Trojan set belongs to what? Sorry, immutable. This is called immutable. It is immutable, students. Right. So once if I know set perfectly, Trojan set will become dead easy for you. So I hope that this is comes under introduction to which data type. Now I will go to which data type now? Set data type I will take up. So let's go to the set data type now. Set data type. So in what way we discussed about the tuple? Same manner. Again, the discussion will be starting. Sets are very, very important concept. Set data type is a very important. I can't imagine how much important this concept is. The lead code example, the hacker rank examples will be like this. Look at S1 is equal to Python. S1 is equal to Python. Next, S2 is equal to Nissan. S2 is equal to Nissan. I want to find the unique letters in both of them. I want to find the unique letters in both of them. I want to find the unique letters in both the strings. What is the answer first? What are the unique letters in both of them, students? Come on. Unique letters. P, Y, T, H. Come on. O, N, I. They are the unique letters. They are the unique letters. S is S also. One S also. So Python, P, Y, T, H, O, N. Next I and S also. Correct? Yes. So these are the unique letters. How do you write a code? How do you write a code? That is the subject. This is if you give it to any other student, even if I give to you, you cannot do it all. Impossible. So I will do it very easily. I will do set of S1. Set of S1. I am applying here. intersection of, that is bitwise operator, set of S2, set of S2. So I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it. Dot join of. I'm going to write it. Dot join of. I'm going to write it. This is called what elements? What elements? ON is coming. That is next I will go for like this. I'm writing. Is it getting that expected answer or not? Now exclusively different operations I want. So these are all called what? Different type of operations I'm going to get it. These things are already known things to you. These are all called bitwise operators. No college faculty will explain because plus minus everybody will tell because they don't tell bitwise operators. Why? They don't know first of all. You take any college faculty, ask the real-time implementation of this bitwise operators you ask. They don't know the real-time operations of these things. So I will go for explaining sets in an extreme methodologies. So I will let me open my index, world-class index. I will open it and I'll start my discussion now. So learn everything most perfectly. If you learn only up and downs, your life becomes very complicated. So let's go to see the world class index. What is the purpose of set? Next, the notations of set, memory management of set, positive indexing and negative indexing, operations on set, indexing and slicing, types of set objects, that is called what? Empty set and non-empty set. This is the concept part, easy to understand. Next, I will go to predefined functions in set. Already predefined functions in list was explained. Predefined functions in tuple explained. I don't know whether you are remembering or not. The success of any person in software field is remembering all the functions. Remembering all the functions. If you want to become a successful doctor, you need to remember all tablets, procedures, right or not? So, as a software engineer, what is your success story? Need to know a lot of functions. C language, you take it. There is nothing is there in your brain. You remember only theory. What is your problem? Stand up. What is your problem? Water. Go and take water. If you ask everybody, you are disturbing and you are disturbing me. Go there. Drink and come. If you ask here everybody, they won't give you, and you are disturbing my class by sitting in the front. So come to the point of it. Predefined functions in set. So programming examples. Next, I will explain almost 17 functions for you. 17, not one or two. Next, problem solving set by using Venn diagrams. Do you know Venn diagrams? School days? Come in. So, taken water, comfortable. Okay, sit down now. So, anybody ask water, now don't give water, okay? Anybody asking water and somebody, don't give water because water is there. Anybody ask pen or pencil, don't give. You don't give it because I don't give anybody. I don't give because if you give one day, next day also they will ask you. Don't give pen, don't give paper, don't give anything. Don't show in exam also. Don't show in exam also because I'm there. I never see others. I don't show them anybody. Why? Because my hard work I don't want to waste. I studied very well. For example, my answers I don't want to show to other guy because other guy also will get marks now. He will say tomorrow, I'm also getting first in class, he will say. He don't tell to his friends, I've seen from Mr. KVR, I'm getting more marks. He won't say. Will they say? No. You don't see others. Why? How he will write, you don't know. That's why you don't disturb the class and sitting in the front row and don't distract my class. Next, problem solving by using what? Bitwise operator. This is the question asked in the company called PayPal. PayPal is a big company, the top 30 companies, world class companies. PayPal is using Python like anything and programming examples. Next is what? Inner sets. Set is coming again. Already how many combinations you know? 4. Now we are getting which combination? Set also. How many combinations? Set in set, set with list, set with tuple, tuple with list, tuple with set, list with set. Some more things will be added. 4 more things will be added. That will become what? 9. predefined functions on inner sets, combinations of set with list and etc. Programming example. This is our index. Shall we start the discussion now? Right. Online students. Now I will go to the further. Now, as usual, you know, it is called one of the, what is this? Class name. It is one of the class name. Present in which module? Built-ins module. Built-ins module. Of treated as which category? Set category. Set category data type. So what is the notation? What is the notation I am using? Syntax is, come on, curly brace. So I'll write variable name is equal to, variable name is equal to curly brace open, value 1 comma, value 2 comma, so on what, value n, value n. So these braces are called what, set braces. Value 1, value 2 are called list of values present in the set. And moreover, I'm going to give you one important point. Set maintains order or not maintaining order? Non-maintaining order. Why? Because any one of the possibility of set elements will be done, because internally Python uses some randomized algorithms. What is that algorithm? Randomized algorithm. Any one of the order that will be coming. So I'm going to show you the example. Can I show you the example? Right. Let's go to the point back. So I'm going to write first time curly brace open 10 comma 20 30 40 50 60 10 20. Once again I am writing valida invalida, valida invalida. Come on, duplicates are there or not? Allowed or not allowed? Valida invalida? Huh? Clarity. Invalida valida? Valid. Though you added duplicates, it will take what element only? Single element only it will take. Single element only will take. S1 comma type of what? S1. So no two elements will be added, students, on the same. They are taking only one element, and it is printing no order is maintaining. Which order it is coming, you can't predict it. Are you able to follow? So when I say here, the combination called like this, when I say like this, any one of the combination will be coming. Any one of the combination will be coming. Are you able to follow? X is equal to C, A here, and the next B, C. Since there is a small elements are there, you can predict it, which order it is going to come, which order it is going to come. Any one of the order which is already written or not, it is going to come. A, C, B. A, C, B is one of the combination or not? This will be coming here. Any one of the order is coming. Able to understand? Very good. Next, S2 is equal to different elements. I will take it. So I say Rosam here. I say some 45.67 here. I say true here. 2 plus 3J here. And then Netherlands here I am writing. Netherlands here I am writing. Print of what? S2 comma. Type of S2 I am writing. So I got like this. Is it clear? Is it maintaining order or not maintaining order? So is it ordered or unordered? Now, I'm asking one intelligent question. Are you intelligent? Intelligent? Huh? So intelligent. Huh? So he's saying intelligent. Yes. Intelligent? Okay, stand up once. I'll check whether you are intelligent or not. Please comb your head and come to the class. It is my advice, personal advice. Okay. So now I'm checking your intelligent. You are intelligent, correct? Very good. Now they are looking at you. Others are looking. He is intelligent or not? So there is a group of birds are there. Group of birds. One person is shoot with a gun. One bird dead. How many birds are there? How many birds are there? Come on, fast. Hey, what are you doing? Girls, boys and girls. How many birds are there? Zero. Wrong answer. One bird is there, which is dead, na? One bird is dead. One bird is dead. How many birds are there? So you said zero. Are you intelligent? Are you intelligent? Okay. How many birds are there? One. Wrong answer. One is also wrong. Why? That bird which is dead is a married bird. Married bird. One more bird is also there. How many birds are there? Two is also wrong. Children are there. How many are there? Can't say. Can't say. That is an answer. So maybe you are not saying that. Maybe you are not saying. He is not saying the answer because can't say. That's why he is not saying the answer. You are not understanding. Sit up. So, are you intelligent? One more question I will ask you. So, come on. So, come on, students. Now I'm asking the question. Very intelligent question. What is an index of true? 0. Row sum. NL. Next. 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 Wrong answer. Because set never maintains insertion order. When it is not maintaining insertion order, how it will maintain index, my dear students? Then why you said 0? You only started. You only started. When you started 0, they also said your core group is said 0, 1, 2, like that. Observe. First observe. Sitting in front row and then saying wrong answer daily. So 0 na? So on sets we cannot perform indexing and slicing. On sets we cannot perform indexing and slicing. So I'm going to write it S2 of 0. S2 of 0. Why you are not able to perform indexing and slicing? Because it is not maintaining the order. Unordered elements you cannot maintain indexing and slicing. Because you are not sure about at 0th place, this only element is there, you cannot say. Are you able to follow? S of 0, you will get an error. What is that error? Wrong operation. Incompatible operation you are performing. That gives you type error. What error? Type error. String into string is incompatible operation. That is type error. One string value plus one numerical value. That is called what? Incompatible operation. Type error. Wrong conversion you are doing. That is called value error. Now, S of 0 is a type error. It is giving you an error on set object. Set object is not subscriptable, you will get it. So, which error? Type error. What is the message? Set object is not subscriptable. So, if we come to my interview, I'll ask a question. Why can't we perform indexing operation on set? I'll directly ask application based question. Why can't you perform indexing operation on set? You have to say what? Set never maintains insertion order. Why it is not maintaining insertion order? Because any one of the possibility of elements will be displayed. Since there is 100 elements are there, 100 possibilities are there to display the data. 100 factorial ways are there to display the data. You might be learned combinations and permutations. 3 elements are there, ma. 3 factorial, how many ways I was written? 6 ways now. 100 ways, 100 factorial ways. That many ways are there to arrange the elements. Which way you know, you can't determine. That's why set never maintains insertion order. On sets, you cannot perform indexing and slicing. So S1 of S2 of colon S2 of 0 colon 4 also same error. So tell me, on sets you cannot perform indexing and good. Set maintains insertion order or not maintaining insertion order? Not maintaining insertion order. Will it allow unique elements or duplicate elements? Unique elements. So it is known as what? Unordered, ordered, unordered, unordered. Will it allow duplicates? No, allows only. So set is a collection of unique unordered elements. Very good. Is it clear? So set maintains insertion order? No. Can I do indexing and slicing? You cannot. Okay, good. Now let us go to the one more mechanism. Type of S2. This is my set. Print this data. Now I'm going to take up one more thing. S2 of S2 of 0 is equal to 100. First of all, indexing not possible. I'm trying to update. You are going to get an error. Set object does not permit item assignment. does not permit item assignment. Why it is not permitting assignment? Because you are not sure about at 0th place which element is there. 10 is there. You cannot modify. So set object does not permit what? So it is mutable or immutable? Immutable. Immutable. Take care. Take care. One more time, I'm going to show you one more property. ID of S2. ID of S2. Now I'm going to take it. S2 dot add of KVR. I'm adding. So print of this S2. Is it KVR added some place or not? Yes. What is an address? So it is a mutable or immutable. So set belongs to mutable or immutable or both are both. So define set. Set is one of the unordered unique elements which belongs to both mutable and immutable. So set is it is both mutable, immutable, unordered, unique elements. Like that, all properties should come in the single line. Like that, you need to define. Is it clear? Yes, please observe. I'll open one small property here. Small property window. All of you read out carefully. Read out. Set is one of the predefined class treated as a set data type. Hmm, The purpose of set data type is to store multiple values either of same type or different type or both the types in single object with unique values only. Duplicate values are not allowed. To store elements in set, we use curly braces. Values separated by comma. Set obj. Curly brace open. Value 1, value 2, value n. An object of set never maintains insertion order because the PVM displays any one of the possibility of elements of set. On the object of set, we can't perform indexing and slicing operation because the set never maintains insertion order. An object of set belongs to both mutable and immutable. Clear? Have you seen examples? Very good. Now, like list types, like tuple types, sets types are how many? Two. One is empty set, non-empty set. Very good. Come to back to example. Come to back to this example. Students, how do you create an empty list? Come on, speed up. L1 is equal to like that, correct? One more is what? L1 is equal to what? List of. How do you do tuple ma? T1 is equal to like that. T2 is equal to what again? Tuple of. Tuple of. Are you following me? Similarly, today we are going forward. S is equal to S is equal to like this. What people are expecting, like what people are expecting. It is not a set. It is not a set. It is a dictionary. In Python, the same symbolic notation we use for dictionary also, but that organization is different. I'll explain separately for you. It is not a set. It is a dictionary. In order to create an empty set, I will go forward set of, like a list of, tuple of. What is that? Set of, you need to use it. This is not a set. This is a regularly asking question. Is it what type? Dict type. Please check it once. Please check it once. Print of x comma type of x. Type of x. What is the type? Dict type. It is not a set type. Okay. Go to the place. Now I'm writing s1 is equal to, come on, set of. Print of s1 comma type of s1. Type of s1. len of what? S1. What is the length? 0. Go to next one more. I will take it. This is my S2. Is it an empty or non-empty? Come on, non-empty. This is S2 comma type of S2 is called a set. len of what? S2. It is containing the elements called 6 elements are there. Students, now I am going to enter into the another discussion. This is called one set syntax, students. So set syntax already you know. What is the syntax? Empty set. Read out. An empty set is one which does not contain elements whose length greater than 0. A non-empty set is one which contains elements whose length greater than 0. Next, this is the syntax. You got it. First syntax you see, set obj value 1, value 2, value n. One more syntax, students. Easy. Already we did. S is equal to Mississippi. It is a very, very important concept. So print of what? S1 comma type of S1. What is the type of S1? str. Somebody will ask a question, very smart question. Write a Python program which eliminates duplicates, which eliminates or get only unique elements. M available how many times? One time. I is available how many times? Four times. But I want to get how many times? One time. S is available how many times? But I want to get, right. So I want to get only unique elements. So what do you do? Convert into set. Convert into, how do you convert? I forget. Yes, S2 is equal to set of S1. Set of ante S2 comma type of what? S2. Type of S2. Am I getting unique elements or not? Unique elements I'm getting. Of course, if you want to get those kind of thing, join of S2. Am I getting unique elements or not? Yes. Now I will take one more thing. So this is called which object? Iterable object. Iterable object converted into which type? Set type. By using which function? Set of iterable object. One more. LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 10, 20 again. Somebody is asking, eliminate or get only unique elements. Get only unique elements. What is your smart knowledge? Convert into, that's all. LST comma type of what? LST. Type of LST. Come on, I forget. S1 is equal to set of what? LST. Print of what ma? S1. Print of S1. Am I getting unique elements or not? If I want to sort them, I can apply what function? Sorted off. What is that? S1. So I'm getting sorted data. Come on. Yes. So if we come to my interview, I'll say, I will give this list of elements. I'll say, get only unique elements. I say in the bracket, don't use set function. Don't use set function. That time what you will do? You will look at where is my SAR. SAR is not there. SAR knowledge is important. How do you write it? Just to look at. Have a look. Have a look. So this is my LST. This is my LST. Just to look at. I will explain because this is a part and parcel of my class. Because I will teach you wonderful coding for you. I don't want to boost by my class. See, after my coding class, when big problem solving, you'll be number one student, provided when you follow my guidelines, writing test, interacting with me, reading and writing the notes, all the guidelines which I wrote in the day one, 4 guidelines I wrote it. That if you follow, you are the top candidate. There is no doubt in that. Now I'm writing. So I'm going to take unique elements is equal to one list. I'm taking empty list for value in where? LST. So I'm writing one beautiful code. Value not in UE. Value not in UE. UE dot append of val. So that's all. Print of what? UE. Print of UE. Am I getting unique elements or not? What I'm not using? Set I'm not using. I'll say S is equal to Python programming. Convert into upper. Don't use library function. That is called intelligent. Smart, intelligent. Are you smart? Come on. Smart and use set off. That is smart. Intelligent means writing this code. Are you smart? Smart and intelligent? Both of them. You are under the process. You are under the process. You are under the class going on. So by reading the notes, it will become 100% these two properties will be there. Understand? So software engineer require these two qualities. What is that? How to use libraries well and how to write the code on my own. See students, as far as mine is concerned, I'll write most of the library functions code. I will write it. Code I will write. How the internal code was there, I will write it. Understand this? So when I use plus operator, see, when I use plus operator, what is happening? Tell me. When I use plus operator, 10 plus 20, behind the plus, there was a code is there. Behind the plus, there is a code. So in place of plus, I will write 10 Then KVR plus I will write it. KVR plus 20 I will write it. 10 and KVR plus. What is the KVR plus? It is called a plus symbol. Whatever the code was written internally, that code I will write for my function. For plus also there is a code. I will show you in the class. Very soon after the data types are over, I will show. Because when you go to Infosys, Amazon, big companies, they will ask you internals of the subject. They don't ask normal questions because the very high package that is. Very high package normally never comes to everybody. If you have great knowledge, then only that will be coming to you. Correct or not? That great knowledge we are getting as a part of my class. So follow it carefully. Are you able to follow now? So what I am converting now? What I am converting now? Iterable object converted into what? Set. Iterable object converted into set. Next go. One more time. One more time. S1 is equal A is equal to 100. Print of what? A comma type of A. What is this type? Int. Int object is which type? Non-iterable. Int object, float object, all these things are non-iterable because it contains only one element. What is the length of non-iterable object? Come on. 0 is the wrong answer. No length. No length at all. Already said non-iterable object has no length. నేను చెప్పాను కదా already. Again you are saying 0. So bad. So see students, object of int has no length. Object of int has no length. Go to your place. Here I am saying iterable and non-iterable. Open this. Please rememberable. See students, non-iterable object is one, does not contain length. So non-iterable object, no length is available because no values are available. Here I wrote it, no length, no length, no length. See how many I wrote it? Need to remember now students, because interview is an opportunity. Once you say wrong, you'll get bad impression. Interview is an opportunity. You need to explore your total details. That's why morning to evening, 2 to 3 times you need to read the notes. Then you will become perfect. Correct or not, students? So please do that. Don't tell wrong answers. Now coming to back to this place. Now tell me, how do you convert this? Come on, convert. Don't take much time. Already we converted now. What we converted into? List I converted, tuple I converted. Today we are converting into which type? Set. Convert. S1 is equal to set of A. Valid or invalid? Invalid. So it will give you error. Tuple of A, error. List of A also was error. Now how do you do? I said go to where? Like that. What is that? List. So that is done. Print of S1. Print of S1. This is print of S1. So it is called one set. One more. S2 is equal to, come on, set of, come on, A comma. What is this notation? Tuple notation. Tuple notation. Print of what? S2. Print of S2. Are you following this? Yes. Clear or not clear? Clear. Go to here you come down. A non-empty set is one which contains elements and whose length is greater than 0. Set obj is equal to, this is one example. Next, set obj is equal to iterable object. Next, set of non-iterable object. Set of tuple non-iterable object. Are you following? Right. Now coming to the further. Now you may have a doubt like this. You may have a doubt like this. Sir, you have written list, sir. Here you have written list or not? Next, you have written what? Tuple, sir. Now I am writing what, sir? What I am writing, sir? Set I am writing. Set I am writing. This is allowed or not allowed? That is the question mark. This is not going to be allowed or not allowed. So this is taken as which type? That is the question mark. So print of S2, it is going to be taken as what? Set. This also will be taken as one element also allowed here. Understand? So now I will go for taking that also, whether it is an iterable or non-iterable, that also will be allowed. So here I will write it. So example number 5. Example number 5. So here I will write it. In this case, non-iterable object. of like this. You can also say syntax number 6. I can say this also will be taken as I write like this. Iterable object I can write it. No doubt in that. Remembering these many syntaxes is difficulty. But if you remember, you are the top class student. Correct? A faculty will tell only one syntax. Is a useless teacher. If you say more number of syntaxes, more formulas for the student, you can achieve the big achievements, right or not? So only learning low end subject will not give you even startups also. Even though startups selecting 1 or 2 months, they will remove because the projects are not there. Projects are not there. Then how they will give salary for you? Because it's not a government job, right? They are running in a small building. So they will, when they will fire you, they don't know. That's why your target is what? Top MNCs. Once you prepare it for top MNCs, product level, at least you can put it in service based companies. So high end for that, be high end for the things. So go to the place. So the last and final, I'm going to take it in this place 10 comma 20 30 40 50 10 20 like this. I wrote like this. Print of what? S2. So I'm going to get it. List of elements. What type it is? List of elements. So I converted into that. More number of elements are there. Got it or not? Yes. So this also I'll keep it here. Examples you come. These are all called set. Indexing and slicing not possible. These are the sets of same type and different type. This is a set type. You cannot do any kind of assignments. This is called immutable. Added something at the same address added. This indicates both mutable and immutable. Creating an empty set, creating a non-empty set, converting iterable object into which type, set type, creating this S1 with duplicate values, getting unique values, list data, getting into what type, set type, unique elements, then you are getting 0:4, you are getting some small data here. This is a list 0 to 4, slicing. Slicing data converted into what? That means a portion of list of elements converted into what? Set, some small example. Then I will post one more question also here. This is also one more example. Having some set of elements converted into set again. Next, into data. Directly cannot convert the non-iterable data into. So do what? Keep it in where? List. A is equal to 10. Getting into what? Writing like that. It is an error. Writing a comma. It is called what? Converted. Are you able to follow? So see that this is also like this. So now I'm going to, this part is up to here, you worry about it. Other things, you just least bother about it. Other things, I will cover it. Is it clear? This is about which concept? Set data type. So today we understood up to here. This is up to here. So indexing and slicing you cannot do. This part we did. And tomorrow class when I come back, I'll talk about what? Predefined functions in set I will explain. There are 17 functions I am explaining. 17, not one or two. And tomorrow Saturday. And most of them will feel that you are project managers, software engineers, CEOs. And some people will feel that they are prime ministers also. They will go to weekend celebrations. If you go to weekend celebrations, tomorrow, Saturday, I'll cover out of 17, I will cover almost 8 to 9 functions. Monday, rest of them. Tuesday, continuity of that with bitwise operators I will do, problem solving things. So 3 days, once you are missing that tomorrow, you will suffer with the rest of the 2 days. And finally, you will not come to the classes. That gives dangerous career problem. So don't miss single class of mine. Thank you. All the best. Online students, any doubts are there? You hold on. I'll connect to you. I will connect to you. I'll clarify your doubts. Yes, you can carry. Online students, you hold on. I will clarify your doubts. Silence. Silence. Don't make noise. After going to outside, you dance outside. But in my class, maintain silence. Right. Online students, you hold on. Any doubts are there, you raise your hands. I'll clarify your doubts.